Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn 100 of the most common English words used in daily conversations. If you want to speak English fluently and confidently, these words are essential for you to master. So, stay tuned until the end and don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you won't miss our next lessons. All right, let's get started. Number 1, the article. For example, the book is here. Be, to exist, to become. I want to be happy. To, indicating direction, purpose. Go to school. Of, belonging to, made of. A cup of coffee. And, connecting words. You and I, he and his father. A single, a cat. Inside, in the room. That, used to identify, I know that. Have, to own, I have a pen. I, the speaker, I am merry. It, thing, animal, it is raining. For, intended for, a gift for you. Not, negative form. I am not tired. On, above, about, on the table. With, together with, I go with you. He, male person. He is tired. As in the role of, as a teacher. You, the listener. You are amazing. Do, to perform. Do your homework. At, location, time. Meet at 5 p.m. This, near object. This is good. But, contrast. I like it, but I will busy at the time. His, belonging to him. His car is new. By, near or done by. It's written by him. From, origin. I am from Indonesia. They, those people. They are friends. We, the speaker and others. We go together. Say, to speak. Say it again. Her, belonging to her. Her name is Anna. She, female person. She is my sister. Or, choice. Tea or coffee. An, one, single. An apple. Will, future tense. I will help you. My, belonging to me. This is my book. One single or someone one day. All of them. Would. Conditional future. I would like that. There, in that place, there is a cat. They're belonging to them. Their house is big. What? Asking word. What is this? So. Very or therefore. So good. Up. Above. Look up. Out. Outside. Go out. If condition. If you want. About. Concerning. Talk about life. Who. Asking about person. Who is he? Get. To obtain. Get a gift. Which. Asking choice. Which one? Go. To move. Go home. Me. Object of I. He gave me. When. Asking about time. When will you come? Make. To create. Make a cake. Can. Able to. I can do it. Like. Enjoy or similar. I like pizza. Time. Period. What time is it? No. Negative. No, thank you. Just. Only or exactly. Just a second. Him. Object of he. I saw him. No. To understand. I know you. Take. To grab. Take this. People. Humans. Many people are here. Into. Toward inside. Go into the room. Year. 12 months. 1 year past. Your. Belonging to you. Your name is beautiful. Good. Nice, fine. That's good. Some. A few. I have some money. Could could, past of can. Could you help me? Them, them. Object of they. I saw them. See, see. To look. I see you. Other, other. Different. Other people. Than. Comparison. Better than before. Then. Afterward. Then we go. Now. Present time. Now it's time. Look. To see, appear. Look at me. Only. Nothing more. Only you. Come. To arrive. Come here. It's belonging to it. The cat licked its paw. Over. Above finished. It's over. Think. To believe, consider. I think so. Also. Too. I also agree. Back. Return, behind. Come back. After. Following. After the class. Use. To apply. Use your brain. Two. Number 2. 2 apples. How? In what way? How are you? Our. Belonging to us. Our home is here. Work. Job, to do a job. I go to work. First. Before others. First, say hello. Well. Good, healthy. I am well. Way. Method, road. That is the way. Even. Still, surprisingly. Even better. New. Not old. A new idea. Want. To desire. I want that. Because. For the reason that. Because I love you. Any. One or some. Anytime. These. Plural of this. These are mine. Give, give. To hand over. Give me that. Day, day. 24 hours. Have a good day. Most, most. Majority or very. Most people agree. Us, us. The object of we. This is for us. Now that you've learned all 100 words, and here are some tips. Don't just memorize the meaning, try using them in your own sentences. Practice speaking with a friend, record yourself, or even talk to yourself in English. The more you use these words, the faster they'll stick in your memory. So that's it. 100 of the most common English words used in daily conversations. If you keep practicing, these words will become your foundation for fluent English. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more English lessons. Write in the comments which word you use the most, or which new word you just learned today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. And remember, keep practicing and keep speaking English.